guy, luck is a luck.
Hey guys, it's Midnight Philosopher, and I'm here with an Abloy Disklock Pro. Here's the key, and here is it working in the lock. You can see the back moving there. I don't plan to go into too much detail in this video, but I plan to elaborate more in some videos to come. But here's the key, or the tensioner that I made out of an old key. I filed down the top of it, and the back of it has the 0 cuts in slots 1 and 8. So let's put it in position, and we'll get right to picking. Here's the pick I made with the safety pin, and just going to go right into the back of the lock and start. Try to get the disc here in the right position. Feels like it's either there or almost there. I'm not 100% sure. I need to get a better feel on it. Yeah, it feels like it's there. Let's make sure. Yeah, that feels good. Okay, now I'm going to switch to my other pick that I made, again out of a safety pin, and I'm going to go for some of the other discs closer up. A little bit easier to reach with this one. Already some little clicks there. That's the gates, the sidebar falling into the gates. Trying to feel the third one, second one, it's a bit more, but we'll just check the first one first just to see where it's at. Yeah, it's binding here a little bit. Second one goes a bit more, and then the third one. So far things feeling like they're in good positions here. The fourth one, or I guess the fifth one, because it's skipping the 0 cut disc. Feels good. Let me see here. It's the second one. Feels like it's in the right spot. It's in the gate. It's not moving. And the first one feels like it's in the gate. Same thing with the third one. And the fifth one. It should be good. What's going on? I swore it felt.
Yes! Yes! Oh my god. I got it. Oh my god. Okay, this time let's not mess up the gutting. Holy crap. Okay, get this out of the way. I thought I felt like it was all there. There we go, fully picked. All right.
Well, I don't know why you're watching Midnight, but you've got a feeling something's ain't right. You're so scared from what you've just come aware. So many locks over there, and there.
Abloys to the left of me, ASSAs to the right. Here I am, stuck in a falsetto with you. Yes, I'm stuck in a falsetto with you, and I'm wondering what it is I should do. It's so hard to keep this pile in one space. Lost control, now pins all over the place. Abloys to the left of me, ASSAs to the right. Here I am, stuck in a falsetto with you. When you started off with Master Lock, you're so proud that you'd use the cam. And your friends, they all come crawling, saying they had lost their keys.
Show all the discs. Okay. That's everything nice up close. I'll show the sidebar. There. There's the other side. And the return bars. I don't know how I'm holding them together like that and them not flying out. What else? The controller. The disc locking system. Actual core or plug. Housing. Other side. And here's that channel a little bit more close before. So first of all, just the controller going. It's maneuvering. Come on. Oh, there. So just the controller going, just moving those first and 8 discs. And then now I put the tensioner in, and you can see it is only moving that first and 8th disc. All right, just one more time, a little bit more closely. Because these two line up with the 2 0-cut discs. The rest are all empty bitted. All right, thanks for tuning in, and that's the Abloy Disklock Pro picked and gutted.
Ori,